Welcome students. Welcome to Sri Vithi Bharati Metric High Secondary School, Sakarambalayam, Namakkal district. Today we are going to discuss about plus 1 English, vocabulary, foreign words and phrases. Listen students, you have come across the French phrases. For an example, en famille and bons mots in the lesson. Now look at the following phrases and their meanings. The first one, viva voice, meaning a spoken examination, and a sign die without a date being fixed. Students, very important these foreign words and phrases, so listen well. Third one, this is your book back exercise. First one, once again, viva voice, a spoken examination, and a sign die without a date being fixed. Resume, a brief summary. Report, close relationship with a good understanding. And bona fide, it means nothing but genuine. Bona fide, it means nothing but genuine. Listen students, refer to the dictionary and find out the meanings of the following foreign words and phrases. Use them in sentences of your own. Yes, I will tell. Already we given in our material. Next one, word, origin and meaning. Word, veranda, the Hindi meaning, a roofed platform along the outside of a house. Then bangla, that the Hindi meaning, a house in Bengal style. Then chutney, the Hindi word meaning, a ground or the smashed relish. And cheetah, Sanskrit meaning, uniquely marked. Coir, this Malayalam meaning robe. Bamboo, this Kannada meaning for wood. Bandicoot, this Telugu meaning for kind of rat. And catamaran, Tamil, meaning for multi-hulled watercraft. And guru, Sanskrit meaning for master. And Anna, this Tamil meaning for elder brother. And masala, Urdu, meaning mixture of ground spices. And dabba, Punjabi, meaning for a roadside food stall or restaurant. A roadside food stall or restaurant. Okay. Listen students, foreign words and phrases. English language has borrowed profusely from other languages of the world and absorbed and assimilated them. Foreign words and phrases. You have come across the French phrases. For an example, en family and bons mots in the lesson. En family, French with one's family in an informal way. Literally, in family. Example, I was thinking about this the last time we went en family on a big trip. En family meaning students, as a family. En family, what is the meaning in this word? As a family. As a family. Next one, bons mots. It means nothing but this French witty remark. What is the meaning in this word bons mots? Answer, witty remarks. Example, I amused her for perhaps 20 minutes with a scattering of urban bons mots. Then retired to the lavatory. Students, come once again, viva voice means nothing but spoken examination, and sign die without a date being fixed. Resume, a brief summary, and rapport, close relationship with a good understanding. Then bona fide, genuine. Listen students, refer to the dictionary and find out the meaning of the following foreign words and phrases. Use them in sentences of your own. Bon voyage, into two, this liaison, ex gratia, en masse, en route, ad hoc and fox pass. Listen students. First one, foreign words and meanings in English. Alibi, it means nothing but false plea of absence or formal statement or evidence in law. Bonhomie, it means nothing but pleasantness of manners. And deja vu, a feeling that something has happened before. A feeling that something has happened before. Elite. Elite means nothing but students select. Choice. Considered to be the best or most important. Enmity. Students, enmity. Listen. This is book bag in a moss or all together. Next one. Fate accompli. It means nothing but it meaning an accomplished fact. An accomplished fact. Things already happened or done and cannot be changed. Once again students, an accomplished fact or things already happened or done and cannot be changed. Next one, this no rich. It means nothing but people who are newly rich. Versus against somebody or something. Versus it means nothing but against somebody or something. In memoriam, it meaning in memory of. And verbatim, using exactly the same words as were originally used, spoken or written. Once again students, verbatim means nothing but using exactly the same words as were originally used, spoken or written. Post meridiem, already you know very well. Afternoon session, PM, short form PM. AM, PM already you know very well. Yes, ante-meridiem is the morning session and post meridiem it is the afternoon session. It is called post meridiem meaning afternoon, short form PM. Bona fide, in a good faith or sincere or genuine. Sine die for an indefinite period. For an indefinite period. Persona grata. It means nothing but a person acceptable. En route, on the way to. En route means nothing but on the way to. And via. Via means through. And erratum, error. De facto, in fact. Ex gratia, as a matter of grace or favor. As a matter of grace or favor. Resume, a summary or an abstract. Into, it's very very important. Yes. It meaning for totally. Into meaning totally. And rapport, a close relationship. Liaison, it means nothing but coordination of activities. Coordination of activities. Par excellence, meaning excellent or super. And via media, middle course. In camera, it means nothing but not open to public. Not open to public. And prima facie, based on the first impression. Based on the first impression. Ad hoc, arranged for special purpose. Arranged for special purpose. The same word students, bon voyage. This is a textual question. It means nothing but pleasant journey to you. Pleasant journey to you. Alumni, ex-students of an institution. Alumni, ex-student for, students, ex-students of an institution. Alias, otherwise or nickname. Anno Domini, short form AD, it means nothing but after the death of. After the death of. Detour, it means indirect way. And exemplificatia, it means nothing but for example. Nota bene, take note, short form NB. And entourage, a person's subordinates. Entourage means nothing but a person's subordinates. And fiance, fiance, students very very important. Fiance and fiancée. Listen guys. Fiance means a man to whom one is engaged to marry. Fiance means nothing but a man to whom one is engaged to marry. Fiancée, a woman to whom one is engaged to marry. A woman to whom one is engaged to marry. And it means nothing but that's to say. That's to say. Status quo, very very important question. Repeated questions. Status quo. Status quo means nothing but the same position. The same position or in the former state. The same position or in the former state. Students, sans. Sans means without. Very very important repeated questions also. Sans means without. Or deprived of. Another one meaning given in your material. Deprived of. Sanctum and sanctorum. The holy of holies. Antity, a titi. A private conversation or face to face. Viva voice and oral test. Viva voice and oral test. Fish, namely, or that's to say. Vice versa, in opposite ways. Vice versa means nothing but in opposite ways. Xerox, very very important students, it means nothing but a photocopy. Ad interim, temporarily, it meaning for temporarily. Proteach, a one who is patronized by others. Incognito, in disguise, in disguise. Fox paws, in your textual question students, fox paws for this special object. It means nothing but for this special object. Adieu, it means goodbye. Proforma, for the sake of or form. For the sake of or form. Lingua franca, it means nothing but common language. Numero uno, it means number one. Prima donna, leading woman singer. Leading woman singer. And reinforce. Reinforce means nothing but to make a feeling, an idea, etc. or stronger. Yes, to make a feeling, an idea, etc. stronger. Dear this beard. Dear this beard. It means nothing but to put up with one's fate. To put up with one's fate. This magnum opus. Magnum opus means nothing but great work. A law cut. It means nothing but each dishes has a separated price. Per capita. Per capita, it means nothing but income per head. Income per head. Tete-a-tete, private conversation face to face. And carte blanche, complete discretion or authority. Students, these are in your plus 1 English foreign words and phrases. This is very very important. So you have to learn well. It's very easy. Yes. Especially book back and additional questions, everything very very important students. Foreign words and phrase is very important, 1 mark. Definitely it will come your public examination. Thank you students. Thank you to one and all. Presented by K. Soda, PG Elston in English, Sri Vidya Bharat Metric High Secondary School, Sakrampalayam.